Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tiffany. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today's video is going to be a quick hair tutorial on this twist style. It looks kind of wonky because I split it down the middle, but I did that on purpose because of the way that I wanted to wear these twists. Of course, you can part your or section your hair differently if you would like more to fall to the back here. So these are the twists that I put in. I think it took me freaking forever, by the way, like forever, but they're in. I'm excited about it. Some of them are still damp, so hence the reason why they're like so flat and not really fluffy, but I am really liking it so far. I think it's just going to be easier for me to get up and do my hair, and minor touch-ups would have to happen in the morning, so I'm excited about that. So anyway, if you want to see the tutorial on these twists, just keep watching. Guys, so I finished twisting up my hair. I honestly don't know how many of these I have. As you can see, I added a few clamps just to kind of hold it down at the root, so it's not like puffy. So it really is, but I just want to do something different. I did these twists a while back. I'll probably add some hair charms to the twist as well. I just don't know where in the world I did with them, or so I'll have to find them and put them on, but I'll post more pictures for you guys. So I'm sorry that the tutorial was short. Maybe it's a good thing because I didn't get a chance to talk a lot, primarily because my camera ran out of juice. So I had to kind of finish. But you saw the before and after process, and I hope that's helpful for you. You saw the products that I use. I'll probably leave these in a couple of days, maybe 3 or 4 days. And if I need to retouch it, then it's going to be easy just to retouch it. And because it's wet, I mean, they look a little bit more stringier, but they're going to puff out. It'll puff out as soon as they start to dry. So yeah, anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're here. Head over to the blog at www.tiffanydbrown.com for more pics of this style. I think I'm going to post it. If not, you can totally find it over on Instagram. Thanks so much, you guys, and we will chat in the next video. Bye.